Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some potato salad, but this is a really great potato salad. We're going to start off by cooking 5 pounds of potatoes. We're using red potatoes, and two things. Just one, make sure that they're clean, and you want to try to make sure that they're all the same size. I always cut my potatoes after they're cooked, but you want them to be relatively the same size and thickness. That way they have the same cooking time. I've just covered this with water, and now I'm going to put it up to boil, and I will show you what they look like when they're done boiling. See you in a bit. So our potatoes are done cooking, and I want to show you what they look like. The first thing that says that they're done, see how they're starting to rip? So that's the first thing. Take one out. When a knife goes in relatively easy, without too much pressure, it's done cooking. You don't want to overcook your potatoes, because when you mix your potato salad, they will all fall apart. So as soon as they're done, what we're going to do, bring this over to the sink, and I'm just going to be running cold water in this until the potatoes are totally cool. And then that's going to take probably a good 5 minutes. So I'll see you shortly. I cooled down our potatoes, and they're nice and chilled now. And over here, I have all our ingredients. I have 1 cup of dill pickles that I've chopped up pretty finely. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I have 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 12 ounces of peas and carrots. They were frozen. I defrosted them in the refrigerator overnight and just gave them a rinse. And I have 1 cup of mayonnaise. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put everything in. Now I do make this potato salad all the time. I've never in my life once measured out all the ingredients. So I'm going to have to check the seasoning and see how we did with this. I don't know if you've ever bought store potato salad. It's generally speaking flavorless. I've never in my life had a delicious tasting potato salad. This one's actually really great. Then we're just going to toss it together. When you toss potato salad, a nice turning motion. You notice I pick it up, turn, pick it up, turn. The flavor of the vinegar will actually dissipate if you let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours. I put our potato salad in a bowl, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I actually have a lot more. I've made about 5 pounds, but this is just for serving purposes. And I'm gonna take a taste. I actually already had it, so I know it's good, but we'll taste in front of the camera too. Cheers. Really good. In all seriousness, it's a really great potato salad. The mustard, the vinegar actually dissipates over time, like over an hour or two. The vinegar actually, the taste of the vinegar goes down. But between the pickles, the peas and carrots, the Dijon mustard, it actually tastes really good. So it's a really nice potato salad, and if you try this, you will definitely like it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please leave your comments down below. Tell me what type of salad you like to make during a barbecue. And be safe, everyone. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.